And here's the demo of the new Springwinder tool. We take an old cone, put it on one side, tighten it up, and this is to hold the torsion bar in place. When we pre-stretch the springs, it won't move. Here's the device. Put it on the bar this way. Tighten these set screws. Now we need to pre-stretch the spring, because if you don't, you wind it electrically like this, it will bind. Now we've pre-measured 2 inches, because every turn, this is for an 8-foot door, every revolution is 1 foot of the door. So an 8-foot door, you'd go 8.5 revolutions, which this is 243 spring, so that's about 1/4 of an inch, so it would be 2 inches would be 8 revolutions, which we marked right here. I'll stretch this. That comes off. Now we're ready to wind. Put it in the up position. How handy, I got an electrical plug right there. In the up position, we always wind the closest to us going up, which it is. We started with the bolts in the front. We're gonna go 8.5 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5 turns. Now we would take our cables, mount them to the drums, tighten them down. And I'm going to actually tighten this down. Your cable's on there, it's tight. Same thing on this side. Bottom of out against the bearing. Put your cable on, tighten it up. Now with the cables on, we would hit the reverse button and just turn it enough for the cables to get tight, start lifting the door. This would become loose, and you undo this and the old cone on the other end, and it would be done.